Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play after a long time.
In this video,
We're going to talk about some math problems.
Finding the original price.
Using the unitary method and explaining of the rules. So let's get started, Lina. So here is the question. Bethany buys a shirt for $6 after getting a $2 discount. What was the original price of the shirt before the discount? What could it be?
Let's get a method to do this. So it'll be easier. So let's see what's the answer.
So concept
first let's introduce to you guys what is a discount. A discount is a reduction in the original price of an item.
So when something is on sale, the store gives a discount, meaning you pay less than the usual price.
So this one was a $4 discount. That means it is $12 now because $8 plus 4 discount is 12.
Yeah. So let's find out how much ours was the original price.
Yeah.
So
price, sale
so what's
price,
the
discount
method?
It goes original price, sale price, discount.
So original price is equal to sale price plus discount. Okay, so how we can solve this? Let's see the next slide.
Solution.
Yeah.
Original price.
We know sale price plus discount. Go ahead.
Step 1. Benefit got a $2 discount, and the sale price she paid is $6.
So step 2, to find the original price, we simply add the discount back to the sale price.
Yeah, like I said, the pen was $8. I got a $4 discount, so that would equal to $12.
Okay, so in this scenario, what will be the price?
Answer. Yeah, $8.
So in this scenario, sale price is $6 and the discount is $2. So the method said original price is equal to sale price plus discount, which is 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Next, let's see there is another method. So the same question but a little bit twist.
Yeah. So the original price of a shirt is $8. And then if you got
Bethany
got a 1/4 discount on it.
Ooh. In a fraction this time.
Yeah. How much did she pay for this shirt? Solution.
Interesting. How we can solve that problem? Yeah. So step 1. 1/4 discount means she gets a discount of 1/4 of the original price.
And then first calculate the discount amount.
Yeah.
Like
which
that.
Is 1/4. 1/4 times 8, which
equals 2.
What will be the other way? What is the 1/4? How we know?
How we do 1/4? You can do a circle and then divide it into 4 parts because this is basically this.
Yeah.
And then like this.
Yeah.
And then let's see what number we could use 4 times to equal 8. So let's try 4. Maybe 4 would work. Oh no, wait. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That one
doesn't work. Yeah.
So maybe we should try 2.
Yeah.
2 plus 2 equals 4. And another 2 plus 2 also equals 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is also another method.
Yeah.
So we have 2 methods.
In the fraction way, right?
2 for methods.
Okay. So let's see how we solved here. Yeah. So step 2, now subtract the discount from the original price to find out how much she paid.
Yeah.
So amount paid?
$6.
Yeah. So 8 minus 2. So discount is 2. Right there?
Yeah.
Good.
Let's go to the next
Now
slide.
let's the same question in the different format.
Yeah, now 25%.
Yeah.
So it's the exact same thing, just for a $25 discount.
So yeah,
percent.
So the original price of the shirt is $8, and Bethany got a 25% of discount on it. How much did she pay for the shirt? So what will be the method here?
So if I have 8, then 75% is almost $8.
75?
Yeah, it's almost $8. If I add 25, that would equal.
No, this is 8 is 100%.
But that's not what we're on.
Yeah, Lina, here.
That's what I thought when we reviewed this. So
yeah, here 8 is 100%.
Yeah, 8 is 100%.
Okay, so let's see how we can solve this.
Solution. Step 1. Start with the
100%. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Price.
So this is 100%. Here is $8.
$8.
So now 1% of the shirt will be less or more?
It'll be less.
So less means division.
Yep.
Right? So 8 divided by 100. Now you have to find out the 25%. So now 1% will be less, then 25% of the shirt will be less or more?
More.
More means multiplication. So 8 divided by 100 and times 25. So if you calculate that, 25 times 4 is?
25 times 4 is 100.
100. So this is 4, and 8 divided by 4 is 2.
So the answer is 2.
Right. So the amount paid is now, you have to find the original price minus discount. So this is 6.
So it's good. Now
the end. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped to solve the problem in the discount way. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Let's give a round of applause.